In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Microsoft Store not updating. If your Microsoft Store gets stuck on updates or downloads, this quick reset often clears things up. We'll start by refreshing your store account session, then clean up a specific cache that can interfere with updates, and finish with a restart to lock everything in. First, open the Microsoft Store app. Give it a moment to fully load. Look to the top right corner and click your profile picture or the user icon. In the account menu that appears, choose Sign Out under your account name. Signing out clears any stale tokens that can stop updates from progressing. Now close the store app completely. Make sure it isn't still running in the background. Reopen the Microsoft Store, click the profile icon again, and sign back in with your Microsoft account credentials. Use the account you normally use for app purchases and updates. After signing in, you should see your profile reflected at the top right, confirming you're authenticated. Next, press Windows key plus Y to open the main Settings app. On the left, go to System, then click Storage. Windows will scan your drives for a moment. Let that finish so all options populate accurately. When the scan completes, click Temporary Files. This section lists items that are safe to remove. Find the entry labeled Delivery Optimization Files and check its box. You can uncheck other items if they're selected. We're focusing on delivery optimization files because they store cached update packages that can become corrupt and block store updates. Deleting them won't remove your apps or personal data. This is just clearing out old update fragments. With only delivery optimization files selected, click Remove Files at the top of the menu. You'll see the status text update as Windows clears the cache. Wait until that text stops updating and the process completes. Interrupting it can leave temporary files behind. Once cleanup finishes, restart your computer. A full restart reloads Windows services and the store's background components so they pick up the fresh sign-in and the cleared cache. After your PC boots back up, open the Microsoft Store again and check for updates. In most cases, apps that were stuck should resume downloading and installing normally. If an update still appears paused, give it a minute or two. The store may be re-indexing after the cleanup. That's it. By signing out and back in, clearing delivery optimization files, and restarting, you resolve the most common causes of Microsoft Store updates not moving. Thanks for watching, and I hope this got your store updating smoothly again.